Hi 6th grade, and welcome to our final video on ratios for the week. This title is Ratio Tables Review. Make sure you have your heading and your objective. I can use ratio tables to solve real world problems. Here are your steps. You can abbreviate these steps in your notes. A, read the problem, the whole thing. Then B, you need to make your own ratio table. They should look like the ones that we did yesterday. C, use the ratio table to solve the problem. And here's our hint. Figure out the unit rates first, or how much it would cost for one of each unit. Which is the better buy? Example A. A 20-pound bag of Takis costs $80. A 30-pound bag costs $90. So I'm going to set up my table for bag 1 and bag 2. The first bag in this problem, it tells me, is $80 for 20 pounds, and my second bag is $90 for 30 pounds. You could also set this up the opposite way so that you have pounds on top and the cost on the bottom. And my next step is to figure out how much it costs for 1 pound of each. So here I'll be dividing by 20, dividing by 20. Here I'll be dividing by 30 and dividing by 30. And the reason why I chose those numbers is because I need to get a 1 in each of these columns so that I have a unit rate. If I know how much it costs for 1 pound of this bag and 1 pound of this bag, it'll be a more fair analysis of how costly they are. So 80 divided by 20 is 4, and 90 divided by 30 is 3, and that would be dollars. So bag 1 is more expensive, bag 2 is less expensive. The better buy is bag number 2, the 30-pound bag for $90. Okay? Your guided practice, you have 2 questions. Oh, you know what? I'm sorry, you have 1 question. Just example B. As soon as you're done, you can press play and find the solution at the bottom. A 5-pound bag of cheese costs $32. A 6-pound bag costs $36. Which is the better buy? And here's your solution. Note what I divided by in the top and bottom. You get a fraction when you divide. Bag number 2. And your independent practice needs to be turned in as soon as you're done. Which is the better buy? A 15-pound bag of Takis that costs $75, or a 12-pound bag that costs $84? Thanks for an awesome screencast.